Let me give you a hand. Thank you. You did well. You should always mind the gaps between the tire tread and the manifold. What? Oh, for Christ's sake. Hey there, fellas. In today's video, we'll be having some fun. We got a lot of requests. I'm actually quite keen myself to take a car. Here it is, by the way. I guess I should tell you a few things about it. So this here is a 1979 Lada 2103. We actually bought it from a dealer. The car went through a pre-sale reconditioning process. It isn't looking too good, but it is what it is. Anyway, here's the plan. We're gonna be flipping the rear diff inside the axle. The point is for the car to have 4 gears in reverse and 1 forward gear. Once we do that, we go out and have some fun. I've never done this before, but it should be pretty interesting. Given the axle layout on these Ladas, it is worth a try. We won't be flipping the entire axle, just the diff itself. Anyway, I say we tear it apart, have a look, and show you guys what's up. Let's do this. Flipping the rear diff, or reverse gears. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Right, fellas, thanks to a bit of editing trickery, we've made it to the Kuzbass ring, where there's some competition slated for today and tomorrow. And since we do have a car which is in need of some exercise, we just couldn't help ourselves. So we brought it over using a dolly, just like when I brought my Lada 2101 over here during the winter. On the way here, I was thinking that, since everything is rotating in the wrong direction now, there might be some issues, but as a matter of fact, everything turned out to be okay. So first we're gonna let these guys practice and do a bit of racing, and after that we head out and test this beast of a car. Let's do this. Alright, we are on the racetrack. At the moment it isn't occupied. The racing drivers have already completed their practice in their competition. We're the last ones to head out today. I say we go take a ride in this piece of junk. Okay, firing up the car. Right, first gear. Second. The steering on this thing, I mean, oh my god. And this is a car from a dealer lot? How do you even drive this thing? Okay. This is pretty wild. And I've only gotten it up to second gear. After driving around, I'm a bit worried about putting it into third. That could easily end with the car on its side. I can barely even move the steering wheel. They did a great job with the reconditioning. Then again, no surprises there. We've seen much worse. Maybe we should try third gear. There we go. Now we're moving. This should give me a much better view. Careful not to slam it into a wall. Oh man. This car is a nightmare. Oh fuck. And I'm seeing smoke. Isn't that nice? Please don't stall. Who bought this car anyway? What's up? Did you at least drive it? I took it out for a quick spin. Okay, fellas, we're doing great. Here's a car that had some prep work done to it. The steering is complete rubbish. You can see some oil running from underneath the cylinder head. If we're being watched by anybody who works at that dealership, you guys are... It crapped out after 20 minutes. Let me be honest with you guys. Did you see how it was rocking back and forth? The steering wheel gets jammed, and when you move it ever so slightly, it does. And the car goes the other way. You try your best to correct the course, the wheel jams again, and after just the slightest movement, it does it again. It's a complete mess. Can you turn the steering wheel for me? I'm pretty sure we'll hear the knocking noise. It's pretty... And there you go. Anyway, fellas, here's the situation. We've got 4 gears in reverse and 1 forward gear. And I'm sure you're well aware that reverse has a lower ratio than first gear. Let's see if the car can handle a hard launch while driving forward. I'm curious to see whether it'll spin the wheels or maybe even drift a tiny bit. Okay, now it's time to see if this will work. Okay, now we see how it likes driving forward in reverse gear. It picks up and goes nicely. It's actually a bit frightening. They did a great job with the prep work. You're overheating. Hop in, dude. Maybe let the girl have a go? While the car is still running. Well, I mean, you're the professional. She can drive after you. Doesn't matter, really. Oh, I'm not that good. Let her take it out first. Let me give you a hand.
Thank you.
You did well.
You should always mind the gaps between the tire tread and the manifold.
What? You should look after the joiner between the steering wheel and the seat.
The steering doesn't work.
Oh shit. Yeah, no problem. Oh, for Christ's sake. Okay, fellas, our situation is not good. But whatever. Anyway, so the car is completely screwed. And that's after driving for about 1 kilometer. And that's if I'm being generous. Driving in reverse is a pretty interesting experience, actually. You should try it out, just for shits and giggles. But the steering has to be in top shape for the car to stay on course. Unlike this piece of shit, which is very unpredictable in the way it handles. You really need everything to be spot on. That said, this was pretty fun. We've actually made it happen. Engaging reverse makes this car go forward. You obviously can't get it up to any decent speed, and my attempts at clutch kicking to make the wheels spin failed due to the motor lacking the power to do so, and I was trying really hard. Anyway, guys, this experiment has been a success. So subscribe to our VK page, follow us on Instagram, leave some comments and suggestions, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Alright, catch you later.